Hi everyone. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to build a menu, add recipes and batches, and review pricing insights in Chef's food cost calculator. First, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Next, tap Menus from the side menu. Now you're on your menu screen. To begin, tap the Add button. For this example, I'll create a menu called Dinner Menu. Then I'll add a short description, Sample Dinner Menu for this week. Next, choose Dinner Menu as the menu category. After that, tap Save. Now we're inside the menu detail screen. To add the first item, tap the Add button. Next, search for crab cake. Select crab cake, review the menu price, and keep it at $16.95. Then tap Save. Now crab cake is added under appetizers. As I add a few more items, keep in mind that these are coming from saved recipes and batches already in the app. When you choose one, the app brings over the saved menu price, total cost, food cost percentage, profit, yield, and category when available. You can adjust the menu price before saving it to this menu, but this does not change the original recipe or batch. So while I add a few more examples, you'll see the menu start filling in by category automatically. At the top, you'll see the search and filter options. You can filter by recipes, batches, categories, or items that may need a cost review. Together, search and filters help you manage larger menus faster. Next, tap See Overview. This gives you a quick snapshot of the menu, including pricing insights, items to review, quick wins, and category information. For example, you can review items over your target food cost, items with updated prices, or items that may be losing money. Below that, Quick Wins highlights simple opportunities to improve your menu. And Category Snapshot gives you a quick look at how each menu category is performing. Once you're done reviewing the overview, tap the Back button. Then tap Back again to return to your menus, where all of your menu books are saved. From here, tap Back one more time to return to the home screen. And that's the menu's workflow. You can create menu books, add saved recipes and batches, adjust menu prices, and review pricing insights with Menu Overview. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.